Okay, best friends, so welcome back to part 2 of my watch me make a wig video. So this is going to be the customization portion of the video, which is going to be super easy. This is hair from Ishow Hair. I made a closure wig with 28-inch bundles, and let's customize this wig. Alright, so I am going to start off on wet hair. I just prefer that way. It's up to you if you decide to bleach or to not bleach your knots. I did go in and bleach my knots, so I have a lot of videos showing you guys me doing that, so it shouldn't be hard for you to go find a video. Just pick any one of them with dark colored hair and you'll see me bleaching knots. So this hairline was not pre-plucked as much as I wanted it to, so I did go in and, you know, take my time and pluck this wig just to give it a more natural effect of a hairline. So I am going to use my Revlon tweezers. These are my favorite tweezers to pluck with. I have so many of these, and I am going to link this in the description box for you guys if you guys are interested in purchasing them. And I am just going to start off in the beginning of the hairline and just thin it out a bit. Make sure you do not stay in the same spot. You want to go back and forth along the hairline. And so you want to do that because you do not want bald spots. So you want to avoid bald spots. So after you do that, you want to take a comb and part the front of the hairline, just a nice thin layer, and then you want to separate that from the rest of the closure or frontal, and you want to go ahead and pluck behind the area you just pulled down. So you're going to see me do that until I get the density that I want this frontal or closure to look like. In this case, I'm using a closure. So after I plucked enough, I'm just going to go ahead and push all the hair backwards so I can see what the hairline is looking like. And if it's up to my par, if it's up to my standard, I'm going to just go ahead and like create baby hairs and do the parting. I like to pre-part and pre-do the baby hairs because, one, I take pictures of my wigs that I make to post on Instagram. If you're not following me, follow me on there. And it just makes it easier when it comes time to install. Like it just makes it easier for me, and I love doing it this way. So if you haven't done like pre-styling your wigs, definitely try it on your mannequin head, and you will see that it makes a huge difference. Alright, so to help me style it, I am going to use my Cantu Wave and Curl Whip. This is a mousse, and I love using this because it's not too stiff and it's not too sticky. It's the right consistency for me when it comes to doing a hairline, and it doesn't leave like that weird film on it. So I love using this particular brand. Also, we'll leave that down below in the description box. I'm going to take some side baby hairs because I don't like, when it comes to closures, I don't like baby hairs all across the closure, especially if it's a 4x4. I like to keep it a little bit simple, and because I usually leave some of my my sideburns and some of my hair that's on my face out, so I like it to like blend into the already existing hair that's on my face. So I only do minimum baby hairs when it comes to like closures, or maybe none. So after I do that, I'm gonna take my Got to Be Free spray and I'm gonna spray lightly of the hairline, and then I'm gonna wrap it down and sit her under the dryer to let her dry. So this is what she looks like. This is the texture after she has been washed and styled and dried. Okay, and so let's just go ahead and install this. So this is what the inside of the wig looks like. It's super neat. This is a glueless wig. You can use glue if you want to, but for this particular wig, I did not use glue to install this unit. So I'm gonna go ahead and put her on and install her and just cut her off and just, you know, look bomb in this. So when it comes to closures, I like to cut the seam off the closure when it's time for me to style it, because I like doing this because it makes the closure lay much flatter than it would if I left that little piece on each side. So I do this with all of my closures, and I just find a huge difference. This helps blend your closure down on your skin a little better. It kind of gives you like that frontal look without it being a frontal. So that's a good trick to do. So I'm just going to take my eyebrow razor or any razor or scissors of sort, and then I'm going to just go ahead and cut off the excessive lace. And after I have the lace cut, I'm just going to take the baby hairs that I cut and blend them into my baby hairs that I left out. And that's basically the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this glueless closure wig install. Again, this hair is from Ishow Hair. And I am wearing 28 inches, 4 bundles, and a closure. If you want to see how I made this wig, there is a video that is uploaded. Just go into my recent videos and you should already see it there. If you guys have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Everything that I used in this video will be down in the description box for you guys. So just go ahead and click it, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, best friends.